Look at this barcode label printer. Box B. It's a high depth barcode thermal printer, thermal transfer. If you are going to implement a best POS system for your business, Box B is the best choice. If you are looking into detail, each and every part built with high premium quality. Look at this paper loading unit, sticker loading unit. Everything looks beautiful. First of all, let me load with 2x1 inch sticker, barcode label sticker. And we are going to print it with the world best revolutionary retail billing software, Retail Daddy. Let us print it. Look at the clarity. How beautiful it is looks like. And if you want to print with, some holographic stickers with yellow color highlighted papers, yes, of course, you can do that. And look at the beauty. Wonderful it is. And if you are a garment business person, garments, textile industry, you need a tag, right? You can directly print those tag in this printer. Not sticker, direct tag. That kind of capability is there. And the tag printing quality also you can see. It's beautiful, crystal clear clarity. And you will get 5 years warranty for this printer. That much qualified printer it is. You can get, you will get, LAN connectivity, USB connectivity, everything with this printer. That is Box B barcode thermal transfer printer. Welcome to Retail Daddy.